In this video, we're going to go through some more examples of solving quadratic inequalities. And in all four of these cases, this quadratic can be factorised. So there's a little bit of factorisation practice for us. So the first one, we want two numbers that multiply together to make -8, but add together to make -2. And that would be -4 and +2. So x take away 4, x plus 2 is less than or equal to 0. Okay, this is a positive parabola. So it will look like this. It's going through 4 and -2, so -2 and 4. And where is the parabola? Below the x-axis, below or equal to the x-axis. That's there. So between the two values. So we must have -2 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 4. If there's an equality there, there has to be equality here as well. Okay, and that solves the inequality. So number 2, x squared take away 10x plus 21 is greater than 0. So we want two numbers that multiply together to make 21, but add together to make -10. That's -3 and -7. So x take away 3, x take away 7 is greater than 0. We know that this is a positive parabola. It's going through 3 and 7. Where is the parabola? Above the x-axis. That's there and there. So when x is less than 3 or when x is greater than 7. And that solves my inequality. Number 3, we have 2x squared plus 3x take away 2 is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so if we do 2 times the -2, that's -4. So we're looking for two numbers that multiply together to make -4, but add together to make 3. Okay. So that would be 4 and -1. So 2x squared plus 3x take away 2 is greater than or equal to 0. We can write that as 2x squared plus 4x take away x take away 2 is greater than or equal to 0. Factorise the two halves. Now I'm just doing it this way because if you find it difficult to spot factorised forms, then this is the algebraic route to get there. Okay, I have done videos on this previously, so but this is just giving us extra practice. Some people are able to spot them very quickly, others really can't. Okay, so this is a good method for that. So I factored out x plus 2 here. I factored out 2x and then I've got x plus 2 in the bracket. So I want x plus 2 in the bracket here, so I'll factor out -1. Okay, so we've got essentially a -1 there. So one bracket is 2x take away 1, one bracket is x plus 2. Okay, so this is a positive parabola. It's going through 1/2 and -2, so -2.5. And where is the parabola above the x-axis? Well, that's there and there. Now, because we've got equality, our inequalities must have that as well. So x is less than or equal to -2, or x is greater than or equal to 1/2. Okay. Right, last one. Again, if you can factorise it quickly, great. If you struggle with that, then we're going to do 3 times 2 is 6. So you want two numbers that multiply together to make 6, but add together to make 5. Okay, so that would be 2 and 3. Or 3 and 2, doesn't matter. So 3x squared plus 5x plus 2 is less than 0. We're going to split the 5x up into 2x and a 3x. Factorise the 2 halves. So we'll factor out an x there, so that'd be 3x plus 2. And we'll have one lot of 3x plus 2 there. So brackets are x plus 1 and 3x plus 2. This is a positive parabola. It's crossing through -1 and -2/3. So -1, -2/3. Where is the parabola below the x-axis? It's below it there. So -1 is less than x is less than -2/3 is our answer.